Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to go live on Twitch. Stick around until the end to learn all the tips for a successful live streaming experience. Let's get started. So, to go live on Twitch, you need broadcasting software. So, you can use platforms like OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a popular choice and it is free, so you can download it as well, or any other broadcaster software. And once this OBS Studio is installed, open it up and let's get started with the setup. Now in the OBS Studio, click on Settings, which you will find in the bottom right corner. Then go to the Stream tab. Now here select Twitch as your service, and you will need to connect your Twitch account to the OBS Studio. So click on Connect Account and log in with your Twitch credentials. After logging in, OBS Studio will be linked to your Twitch account. Now let's set up your stream layout. Now in the main OBS window, you will see a section called Sources, which is at the bottom, and you will see this plus icon. Click on it. Now you can add a new source here. So you can add sources like display capture to capture your screen, window capture for specific applications, and video capture device for your webcam. So you can arrange your sources to create your desired stream layout. After that, go to the audio mixer section in the OBS and make sure your microphone and desktop audio are set up correctly. You can adjust the volume levels as needed. Once your layout and audio are set up, you're ready to start streaming. Click on Start Streaming in the bottom right corner of the OBS Studio, and with that, you will be live on Twitch. To check your stream, go to your Twitch channel and you should see your live broadcast there. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.